Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a knit and crochet designer. I love exploring different yarn crafts like macrame and punch needle, and recently I've become obsessed with Latch Hook. Latch Hook is great for using up your yarn scraps, and it's perfect for experimenting with different colours and textures. It's easy to learn and you only need a few things to get started. Join me as I share everything I've learnt about Latch Hook to help you create your first project.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for future notifications. For most Latch Hook projects, you will either be working from a chart or a pre-printed canvas. If you are creating the design yourself, you can either create your own chart or draw the design straight onto the canvas. When working from a chart, each square represents a square on the canvas. When designing your own chart, you will need to work out how big your project will be to know how many squares you will need. I am using a 4-count canvas, which means that there are 4 holes per inch. For this example, I am going to make a 20cm by 10cm patch. This means my design needs to be 30 squares by 15 squares. Today I'm going to create a simple floral design. Begin by roughly sketching out your idea. Once you are happy with the design, start colouring in the squares to create the right shape. When you have finished your chart, you are ready to begin. Now it's time to cut out your canvas. Make sure to leave at least 4 squares around the edge of your work. When working on a project, you always want to begin the project from the bottom left if you are right-handed, or the bottom right if you are left-handed. Get your yarn ready. I prefer to cut my yarn before I start a project, so that I don't have to keep stopping once I start latch hooking. For this project, I am using 2 lengths of double knit yarn together. Follow the chart row by row and change colour when required. Once you have completed the chart, it's now time to tidy up any longer threads you may have. Fold the edges over and sew in place. Now it's time to add the finished latch hook to the bag. With a needle and thread, position your work where you would like it to go and stitch around the edge. Your bag is now complete.